It is pouring, guys. Hi, angels! Welcome back to my channel, and this is msmonieLA. Angels, wherever parts of the world you're in, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And right now it is 2:30 p.m. We are leaving Atlanta, Georgia, as you can see. Guys, I just got a haircut. I trimmed my hair finally after 2 years. As you can see, earlier it was raining cats and dogs. It is pouring, guys, and now 10 minutes later it's bright. So anyways, guys, I got a haircut finally. I couldn't stand my hair anymore. I saw how fried it was, and it's been 2 years since I cut my hair, and I made a pit stop at the hair salon, had breakfast, and now we're on our road to Nashville because tomorrow we're leaving back to LA. I'm not really looking forward to it. It's been a whole month on the road, doing a lot of things, meeting a lot of people. So starting with the trip to Nashville, it was already like amazing. I get to experience the famous street of the Broadway and restaurant and bar hopping, and getting to try my first tomahawk steak. So juicy and so tender, and the bone was so big, it's bigger than my whole body. Basically, it was so big and long, and that was so much fun. And listening to different music and listening to different people vibe, that was just an amazing experience itself. Then from Nashville we went to Kentucky. We went to the world's biggest cave. I think the cave tour was just amazing. Never been to a cave tour, never been in a cave that big, never been in a cave, period. The tour and how big the cave is and the history of the cave was just it was breathtaking. And if I have the chance to do it all over again, I would, and I will. And hopefully in the future, when I have more time and more vacation time, and I would do more of it. So from Kentucky we went to Birmingham, Alabama, and had a chance to meet one of my friends that I've known online for a whole decade. It was great experience meeting him and talking to him in person versus the internet, and he showed us around where we hung out at the Barber Vintage Museum, one of the biggest motorcycle museums ever, and I get to capture almost every single automotive, and it was so much more to see besides motorcycles. They have a huge garden as well. And from Birmingham we left and went to New Orleans, Louisiana, and that was a whole nother experience. Although being in New Orleans, Louisiana, we still get to try a lot of new foods and also meet a lot of interesting people. But one of the things that really hit hard is getting on the boat ride and seeing all the alligators. Yes, that was a lot of fun. It was amazing, and Captain Ernie was like just fabulous with like giving his bill about what's going on in New Orleans. That just really hits hard. And the alligators was so much fun. We get to capture like amazing videos, amazing footage. Besides all that, when we got off the boat, we took a detour to try to find some lunch, and that really, what we saw, what we witnessed, what we captured on camera, what we captured on the videos, just really is hard to swallow. Just seeing all the damage that will take years and years to rebuild, and we're praying for them every day since. And in Miami, I get to experience a whole nother level of vibe and experience. I saw the sunrise, experienced the white sandy beach, and get to see the Versace mansion that is located on Ocean Drive, experience and ate great food and meet a lot of new people there as well. angels, before I make a pit stop to Nashville, I stop in Chattanoooga, Tennessee, here at Lookout Mountain called Ruby Falls. Look at this. Instead of going straight to Nashville, why don't we make a pit stop somewhere? And here we are. Guys, I didn't know what this place is all about, but we took a little tour inside and it's all about caves. So we're gonna take a cave tour in about 40 minutes. So come on. Oh, but down. Look, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a dress with some sneakers and I'm not gonna change. I'm just gonna go. And I know it's a little bit cold, but I can get a sweater in there. But anyways, let's go and take a look. Alright, so it's not Chattanooga, it is Chattanoooga. So I remember my friend Steven recommended me to come out to this city, Chattanooga, because he really likes the nature and the forest view, and he loves fishing out here. So I love it too. When we're about to go into the cave, we're waiting for the 5 o'clock tour. So I don't know what to expect. I don't know if I'm gonna be like cold or hot, but you know what? I'm trying to warm myself up, so I'm not gonna be that cold under that cave. Let's go! Okay, angels, right now we're under the cave. We're in the cave, and the elevator ride to the cave was crazy. Right now we're waiting for the tour guide. There's a line in front of us. We're just waiting, but it smells really fresh in here, like fresh water. Oh my gosh, and we're off. Come on, come on. I love this cave. I feel like, oh, God is so amazing to make this for us to enjoy. And I just wanted to crawl into every single crack I see and explore myself. I feel like I don't have enough time to explore. And the waterfall was just too quick, too short. And I just wish I have more time. Overall, angels, I really enjoyed this cave. I love it. It inspired me to go get a cave home. Now I know why Batman lives in a cave. I enjoy the waterfall, and it's just too bad that it's like the time was so short for us for the waterfall. But overall, like, I really loved it. But it's raining now. I enjoyed this beautiful view, everything I love. But guys, please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for my next video. I'll see you soon.